Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase the new poses on the new Dress to Impress winter update. Go to your pose pack and go here, and the new pose packs are the emote pose pack and the winter pose pack, which I just bought just now. I'm just going to put on some clothes and show it to you guys. Also, we have a lot of new items here. This is like my favorite hair. Let me just put on something first. Right, real quick, and I'll show it the poses to you guys. I'll try to be quick in putting on the outfits. Okay, so the poses we have are the winter pose pack. There's throwing snow. Oh, let me just take this off. Blowing snow. Oh, so cute. There's shiver, angel. Oh, snow angel, blizzard, cocoa, evergreen, frosted, glisten, holly, icicle, peppermint, snowfall, sugar cookie, and tinsel. And we also have these emote pose packs as well. Oh my god, that's cute. That is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.